Hi there, it's Dennis from BCTESLAGUY. Today I will be showing you how to install the matte finish screen protector on your Tesla Model 3. I have a glossy one right now that I originally put in when I first got it, but there's just too much gloss, so I'm going to be switching that out for the car whiner matte finish one that I purchased off of Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description below. So let's get into it and we'll see how it goes. So you can see here I've got the screen protector. It's just put to the side here, and you can see the reflection completely in the screen. So again, this is the glossy one, so you can probably see my face in there now. But we'll give the matte finish one an install, and then we'll do a side-by-side comparison of this. So let's get into it. Okay, so now that we've got the screen protector on here, you can see I've put the box back here to see how much reflection we got. You can see right there, there's, you can see something, but the reflection's not really there anymore. So here's the screen protector that I purchased from Amazon. It's Car Whiner. It's a matte version, so on the front it shows this. On the back there's instructions. You can see that right there. The last one I installed was pretty simple, pretty basic, so the same thing. Inside the package, it's well protected, so that was one thing that was really nice. It comes with their catalog of products that they have, and these screen protector accessories. Basically some tape and some sticky stuff to take it off, and probably a cleaning pad. I'm not going to use this, don't need it. So what I normally do is I got isopropanol in this bottle, which I'll spray on and clean it, and then I will use this painter's tape to put it on. And the key to it is, once you get it lined up, just put lots of tape, because when you do lift it up, it tends to kind of fall off. So the more tape you have, the easier it is. And I'm just using a couple microfiber cloths that I have. Now, while you're doing this, you want to have your HVAC system turned off so that there's no dust blowing around. I kind of did a prelim clean on this, but we'll just go forward with this. So before I get started, you can see this is the screen protector, and this back piece is the part that actually sticks to the screen, and it can only go one way. So we'll take a look here, and you can see that this is the correct way, because down on the bottom here it's flat. But if we go ahead and we turn this around the other way so that we're putting it on backwards, you'll notice it just doesn't line up properly at all. There's kind of a gap there. If I put this up there, there's a gap. So once again, the tab goes to the back, and on this one it's at the top part. So we just take a look at it just to make sure. Yeah, looks like it will line up just perfectly. So the first thing we're going to do with ours is, because we already have a screen protector there, is I'm going to take it off without damaging it, hopefully. So I'm just going to pick it up from the corner here. Well, before we get started there, the first thing you're going to want to do is put your screen in screen protector mode. Let me see if I can. So put it in screen protector mode is, you click on here, display, and screen protector mode. So you see there, that way the screen is turned off. And then we'll go ahead and we'll just take this off. So you can see now I'm just doing it slowly, because if I want to reuse this, I don't want to break it. There we go. Well, there's a lot of static to it. So I'll just put that to the side. The next step is to clean it. So we already have a clean screen because it was clean underneath, but we'll just go ahead and we'll clean it. So just spray it with isopropanol. You could use the kit that's included. I just prefer to use this. So you're just going to wipe it to make sure that there's no dust. Again, no HVAC, so there's no circulating, so you don't want to do this in the heat of the sun. Car will heat up pretty quick. Okay, now it looks like there's some dust bunnies there, so what they do is they provide you with some stickers. What you can do, kind of the same thing, is just grab your painter's tape and then just go like that. This is just going to pull off any dust that's sitting there. Again, mine should be fine, but just in case you got it, it's better to have it clean. There's something going on. What I have is, before you put this screen protector up against your clean screen, this part right here, which is going to go, again, we're going to have it to the front like this. You can, well, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's fingerprints and there's dust bunnies already on this. So it could be on both sides. So I would just clean both sides. At least the side that has the sticky back, just to make sure that you're not putting dust bunnies up against your system. Now this screen's going to be coming off, but if it's clean now, it shouldn't put any dust bunnies on yours. Okay, so that's nice and clean. The next thing to do is put 3 big pieces of tape on the back. This will help you line it up when you get there in place. Now you're going to take your screen protector and line it up. Again, with the part that's going to be pulled back. There we go. And then you're just going to flip these over. Make sure she's all lined up. So there you go. Now that you got that on there, like I mentioned before, tape is your friend. So go ahead, put a couple more on there. Now it might be a little excessive, but I did have problems with the last one with not using enough tape. So I'm going to make sure I have a lot of tape. So it's all lined up. Perfect. So the next step is the main one. You're just going to pull this up. You're going to lift it up. Make sure that it's clean, and then pull off that backing. You're just going to let it drop. And then run your finger down the center. By doing that, it's going to stick itself to the screen. And if you get a bubble, like I'm getting a bubble right here, you can... Oh. There we go. And it looks good. Perfect. Now that that's done, you just have to remove all the tape. Now I can see a couple bubbles at the top there. Yep. So there's a bubble in those 3 locations right there. You can take like a card of some form. There we go. Push it out. That pushed them all out. And then go ahead and clean your new screen protector. Well, that looks a lot better than the gloss. No reflection at all. And then once you're done, you're going to hold here for 3 seconds and we'll turn back on the screen. There we go. So in conclusion to the install, it took about 5 minutes at most to do. I had to remove the original gloss screen protector that I had on it and then clean the screen just one more time. It was clean, but I just wanted to make sure there was no dust on it. And then in the video I showed you how to use lots of tape to hold it in place once you lined it up. And then you just pull the liner from underneath and drop it and then run your finger down the middle, and then that allows it to like seal itself to your screen. It looks really good. There's no reflections anymore and I'm really happy with it. So the car liner matte finish screen protector is a pretty good one. I'm really happy with it so far. Again, the link is in the description. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like the video, and then ring that bell so you'll be notified when I make other videos.